How to use Alibaba.com Trade Center to monitor the order changes. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be providing you with a step-by-step tutorial to monitor our orders. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can go to Alibaba.com for that and log into our account if we're not logged in. After that, we can click on this option called Profile and select the option of Orders or Trade Center. Or we can directly go over to Alibaba Trade Center. So go ahead and search for Alibaba Trade Center and hit enter. And this is the link. We can click on that link to open it up directly. And here we'll see all of our orders listed with status, pending payment, processing, or in production, and shipped or delivered. And we can basically click on an order to see the details and updates, including the shipping charges, supplier messages, payment status, estimated delivery dates, and we can also enable notifications to get alerts for order status changes, trade assurance updates, and supplier replies. And you can always check the latest message that is available from your supplier in the message center, and you can review the shipment tracking info provided, and you can also use filters to quickly see delayed or pending orders, and keep all the communications inside Alibaba to protect trade assurance coverage. But that's it, everybody. You can follow this method. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.